I knew Bill Whitmer from really the early days of HERO. Bill was the co-founder of HERO, and back then our discussion has been always about how can we make health, front and center. And Bill really pushed me and challenged me to do things that I would not have done on my own at my former employer, Johnson & Johnson. And I felt just winning that award at a personal level under his name was such an honor and a privilege. So that's on the personal front. But if I look at it from the professional aspect, certainly this is a leadership award, and I really feel privileged to be one of them, the few people who have been receiving this award in the past. Some of those names are really very well known in the industry, and I'm just grateful to be a part of that. You really need to think big. You really need to have a much broader goals and objectives that you aim for, but also you have to start small. Don't try to, really boil the ocean, as they say it, but start small. And the third piece to this is actually to act fast. Don't hesitate and just move forward. The other thing is, which I believe on a personal level, but also from a leadership level, is you really need to know your purpose. You need to know what are the gaps between what you do and who you want to be. The other one is that I can share is really it's about gratitude. You always have to be thankful for what you have and show it to other people. You need to also, in a big corporation, big environment, actually whether big or small, is to build trust and feel the fulfillment. You need kind of to step back and really ask the question, what is it? What is it for them that leads to, them collaborating? And I think part of this is to focus on that without collaboration, achieving impact is not as powerful as when you have community's involvement, employee trust, leaders getting together to agree on something that is good for the people, but also good for the business. And I think through collaboration, leaders can achieve higher levels of impact, and I do believe collaboration is the way for the future. One of my mission is how can we work together to create a world free of preventable diseases. I am doing some consulting, helping smaller and mid-sized corporations to establish excellence in health programming, and I do believe through that I am indirectly helping achieving the goal that I have always envisioned. The industry need to move more into the scalable model of using these new technologies in helping people be at their best, and also helping population that maybe in the past you were unable to reach and touch. And I think through these, the industry need to kind of get that and move it forward in order to really achieve much bigger results than what we have currently.